Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a musician looking for a distribution platform, you've probably heard of Onerpm. Today we're diving into what it actually offers, what artists are saying online, and whether it's worth your time and your music. So if you're thinking about using Onerpm, watch this before you upload anything. According to their website, onerpm.com, OneRPM is a full service music distribution, marketing, and rights management platform. They say they help independent artists distribute their music to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. And they even claim to support publishing royalties and offer marketing tools. Sounds pretty solid, right? But let's check the real world feedback. On Trustpilot, Onerpm has a 1.8 star rating based on 134 reviews, and a whooping 72% of those are 1 star. That's a big red flag, especially for a company handling artists' royalties and music rights. One of the most frustrating reviews came from an artist whose song got randomly flagged for suspicious streaming activity. 1,000 streams from the US on a 3-year-old track. Onerpm pulled the song from platforms and demanded proof that the artist had nothing to do with it. But how do you prove that you didn't hire bots? The artist says they were hit with copy paste responses, closed tickets, and zero support. No emails, no phone calls, nothing. Another review accused Onerpm of manipulating reports, claiming they had charting songs but were still being told they had only 100 streams per month and weren't being paid a cent for over 2 years. They even reported the company to consumer protection agencies. Someone else had their SoundCloud account taken down because Onerpm automatically created a second account for them during distribution. There was no option to uncheck SoundCloud, and now they can't upload to their main account without getting flagged or copyright violations by their own distributor. Now, in fairness, there was one positive review worth mentioning. A user had been locked out of their account with $1,500 inside 4 years. They left a negative review and then randomly tried to log in again, and surprisingly, it worked. They managed to withdraw their money and suddenly changed their tune, praising Onerpm as legit and promising to use them again. But even that feels more like a lucky glitch than a consistent, reliable system. And the fact that it took a decade and a negative review to get access back, not exactly confidence inspiring. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on online research and public user reviews. I haven't personally used Onerpm, so this is not a personal endorsement or accusation, just a breakdown of what the community is saying. Always do your own research before trusting a platform with your music and royalties. So, what's the final verdict? Onerpm might look like a professional distribution platform, but based on reviews, it seems to have major issues with customer support, account access, and payment reliability. If you're an artist serious about your music career, you probably don't want to risk your royalties accounts and reputations on a platform where support is hard to reach and policies feels unpredictable. Less Onerpm drastically improve its communication and support systems. I'd say use it with caution or explore other distributors with a better track record. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.